Good day, Doctor. I'm Lim Siu Zimi, and my teammates Cheng and Seru will present about Kuala Lumpur Singapore High-Speed Rail Project. The KL Singapore HSR is a transformative project that reduces travel time to just 19 minutes, fostering stronger connectivity and regional growth. With stops like Bandar, Malaysia, and Iskandar Puteri, the HSR promotes trade, tourism, and investment along its routes. The HSR combines economic growth with sustainability, creating jobs while reducing carbon emissions through a shift to rail. Despite challenge, the KL Singapore HSR holds immense potential to redefine connectivity, setting a benchmark for Southeast Asia transportation future.
Hi Doctor, so my name is Cheng Shi Bai He. So next I'd like to present about the project environment. So for the economic impact, the Kuala Lumpur to Singapore high-speed rail project is expected to boost economic growth by enhancing trade and investment between Malaysia and Singapore. It will create new job opportunities across industries, and additionally, the improved connectivity can attract foreign investors and stimulate real estate development along the HSR corridor. So the second one, which is social impact. The project will significantly reduce travel time between Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, and making cross-border commuting more convenient. This will promote business collaboration, educational exchange, and regional mobility. So the third one, which is environmental impact, high-speed rail is a more environmentally friendly alternative to air and road transport, as it reduces greenhouse gas emissions. However, the construction phase could pose environmental challenges, and its effective mitigation strategies, such as green construction practices and reforestation programs, are essential to minimize negative impacts. Next, which is project management. So for the project management, the first one, which is engineering. So the project requires strategically located stations at key hubs such as Bandar Malaysia, Sepang to Putrajaya, and Iskandar Puteri to maximize accessibility. And the second one, which is environmental, the proper waste disposal sites, sediment control mechanism, and advanced drainage system are crucial to minimizing ecological impact. Environmental impact assessment, which is EIA, and sustainability measures must be integrated into the project. So the third one, which is operational, the implementation of an active treatment system, which is NTS, ensures water quality management. The pollution prevention strategies, including noise reduction barriers and air quality control, are essential. And next, which is technology. So in the technology, we got Ensaldo SDS. It is provide cutting-edge rail signaling, interlocking, supervision, and control system. And the MRCB, which is uses prefabrication technology to streamline construction processes, reducing project duration and enhancing quality control. So the third one, which is Hyundai Rotem, it implements regenerative braking technology to recover and reuse energy, contributing to improved energy efficiency and sustainability. And the last one, which is China Railway, it is developed advanced railway components, automated train scheduling system, and high-performance rail materials to enhance durability and efficiency. And next, which is the stakeholders for the Kuala Lumpur to Singapore high-speed rail project. So for the government part, national governments of Malaysia and Singapore oversee international agreements and regulations. And the project developers and contractors, project management firms handle design, execution, and planning. Its construction companies ensure infrastructure meets safety standards. And for the financial institution and investors, bank and financial institution provide funding and financial services. And the fourth one, which is transportation and logistic companies, rail operators manage services, freight companies utilize the rail for cargo, and public transport firms ensure seamless transit integration. And for the environmental and advocacy groups, NGOs and advocacy groups focus on sustainability, environmental protection, and social justice, ensuring responsible development. And for the passenger and end users, frequent travelers, tourists, and business benefit from the HSR, influencing demand and service improvement. And the last one, which is media and public relations, media outlets and PR firms manage public perception, provide updates, and engage stakeholders to ensure the transparency. So here is the My HSR Corporation, which is the leader of the My HSR Corporation. So we got Dato Sri Haji Fauzi bin Abdul Rahman, Dato Mod Nur Ismail bin Mohammed Kamal, Dato Saad bin Isa, Dato Rosli bin Yaakob, and also Mod Shariman bin Shafid. Next, which is the from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore HSR project timeline. So it starts from 2013, which is the tender for Kuala Lumpur to Singapore HSR announced, and December 2017, which is tender launch for asset manager, and January 2024, which is we got 7 consortium submit information, government-private partnership moving forward. So for the key participants and also withdrawal for this project, for the interested one, which is YTL Group, China Railway, and Gamuda, and withdraw one, which is JR East and Sumitomo Group due to the financial risk.
To successfully manage a complex project like KL Singapore HSR, a hybrid project management approach is employed, blending traditional and aligned methodologies. This ensures a balance between structured planning and adaptive responsiveness. The traditional approach provides a structured framework. Starting with master planning, it progresses through design approvals and construction while ensuring quality and adherence to regulation. Align complements this by introducing flexibilities. This through splits, it iterative development and regular reviews, we ensure the project remains adaptive and responsive to feedback. The hybrid approach combines structure with adaptability, ensure the project is well planned yet dynamic enough to overcome challenges and meet stakeholders' expectation efficiently. The work breakdown structure WBS starts with feasibility studies and stakeholder engagement in phase 1, followed by details design and initial groundwork in phase 2. Phase 3 achieves significant milestones including large-scale constructions and train manufacturing. Finally, phase 4 focus on operational readiness, culminating the HSR launch in 2022. The network analysis outlines the project critical path from feasibility studies to constructions and testing leading to the commercial launch. It highlights efficient resource allocation and ensures every phase aligns seamlessly for on-time completion. The Gantt chart provides a clear roadmap for the KL Singapore HSR project, ensuring every phase stays on track and dependencies are efficiently managed. Work execution begins with site preparation and foundation work, followed by station and track construction, and conclude with system integration and testing that guarantee smooth operations. Key focus areas include proactive risk management, quality assurance through inspections, and effective communication. Final touch like landscaping and inspections ensure a seamless handover of this world-class high-speed rail system. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Silver Duka here. I will present you all about the delivery for the Kuala Lumpur Singapore High Speed Rail project. So for the Kuala Lumpur Singapore High Speed Rail project, it requires a comprehensive quality measurement process and also an efficient logistic management to ensure successful delivery. So in terms of quality planning, it involves like defining clear standards, like developing a detailed quality management plan, which includes conducting regular audits, providing ongoing training for project personnel, and also for the quality control, it involved systematic inspections and tests at various stages to verify deliverables meets established standards. So, in terms of quantitative performance metrics, I use to monitor quality performance and identify areas for improvement. So, for the logistic management side, it starts with detailed supply chain management involving procurement planning, sourcing strategies, and timelines. And also, reliable vendors are selected through a evaluation process, and relationships are managed to ensure timely and quality material supply. Effective inventory control system track materials, minimize waste, and also ensure availability when needed. A comprehensive logistic plan includes the transportation routes, schedules, and handling requirements for materials and equipments. So, firstly, there is plant value, which is the authorized budget assigned to scheduled work. For this project, this would be the budget allocated for different phases of the project over time. And secondly, it is earned value, the value of work performed, expressed in terms of approved budget. This reflects the progress of the project in monetary terms. And third one would be the actual cost. The actual cost is incurred for the work completed to date. So to prepare earned value management data for this project from 2010 to 2022 in Malaysian ringgit, we will use the assumed budget and project phases. And then we will convert the total budget into Malaysian ringgit and distribute it across the years. For example, let's assume an average exchange rate for 1 USD to 4 Malaysian ringgit. So here the table shows our project phases. So total project budget that is allocated is 80 billion, and the project duration is 13 years from 2010 to 2022. And the project phases includes like initially it's from 2010 to 2012 it's planning and design, 2013 to 2015 is land acquisition, 2016 to 2017 it's early works and preparations, 2018 to 2021 is main construction, 2022 is testing and commissioning. So as for the planned value by year, so here we have segregated that like based on this year, this project phase, how much money that is we plan to allocate. So you can see at the second table there. So that is how much we plan the value. So from the planned value, we will now have this earned value and also actual cost. So from this table, we can know that it provides a comprehensive breakdown of planned value, earned value, and also the actual cost for this project from 2010 to 2022. So this data shows in 2010 the project started as planned with a planned value and also the earned value of 1.2 billion Malaysian ringgit, but experienced an actual cost of 1.4 billion. So indicated an over expenditure lah. In 2011, with a PV planned value of 2.4 billion Malaysian ringgit, the project fell slightly behind schedule with an earned value of 2.2 billion Malaysian ringgit and incurred higher costs at 2.6 billion Malaysian ringgit. And then by 2012, the project continued to lag with an earned value of 2.6 billion Malaysian ringgit against a planned value of 4 billion. And the actual cost increased to 4.4 billion. And throughout this 2013 and 2014, the trend of delays and cost overruns persisted. And in 2013, the project had a planned value of 6.4 billion and earned value of 5.6 billion Malaysian ringgit, and also actual of 6.8 billion Malaysian ringgit. and that is the middle part. And by the end of 2022, the project had a planned value of 80 billion Malaysian ringgit and earned value of 72 billion Malaysian ringgit, and an actual cost of 86 billion, indicating a significant delay and also budget overruns. The schedule variance of 8 billion and also cost variance of 14 billion highlight these issues. The schedule performance index of 0.9 and the cost performance index of 0.84 reflect inefficiencies in both schedules and cost management. So overall, the data underscores the need for enhanced project management strategies to actually address these persistent challenges and ensure better alignment with the plan, schedule, and also budget. So as for the economic hazard, we can include cost overruns, which are caused by the underestimating initial cost, inflation, or inefficiencies. Okay, and then for the funding and financing issues, which can also lead to delays in increased cost or termination. And besides that, the market demand fluctuation can also pose risk with overestimating demand for high-speed rail services, resulting in lower revenue, and underestimating demand, causing capacity constraints and missed opportunities. In terms of technical hazards, we have risk in project design, construction, and operation, including the engineering flaws, construction delays due to the labor shortage, and also supply chain disruption, the weather conditions, or contractor performance issues, and also technological integration issues. These risks can lead to delay in increased costs and also compromise safety. The high-speed rail system must integrate seamlessly with the existing infrastructure, meeting safety and performance standards, causing operational inefficiency and safety risks. Okay, as for the environmental hazard, it is due to its impact on natural ecosystems and also compliance with regulations. Like habitat destruction, noise pollution, and carbon emission are significant concerns. And climate change effects, such as extreme weather events, can disrupt the construction activities and also damage infrastructure and increase costs. Besides that, social hazards. So social hazards include the project impact on local communities, workers' health and safety, and potential legal battles. Community opposition due to displacement, environmental impact, and noise can lead to legal battles. Project modifications or delays, health and safety concerns are crucial, as accidents or violation can lead to project stoppage, legal liabilities, and also public trust loss. The last one would be the political hazards. So political risks involve the influence of governmental and regulatory bodies on the project. Like regulatory changes can significantly impact the project, as any alterations in the land acquisition laws, environmental regulation, or labor laws can actually require adjustment in the project plans and also increase costs. Political instability in Malaysia or Singapore can actually cause another risk, as changes in government or political unrest can affect project continuity, funding, and also regulatory approvals. So risk, okay. As for the risk assessment, this step involves evaluating the identified risks in terms of their likelihood and impact on the project. So actually, each risk is assigned a score based on qualitative assessment, which include high, medium, and also low. So this diagram categorizes these causes into five main areas, which is economical, technical, environmental, social, and also the political risk. So as for the economic hazards in a project include cost overruns, funding issues, market fluctuation, technical flaws, and construction delays, and also technological integration issues. In terms of environmental risk, it includes the habitat destruction, noise pollution, and also the climate change. Social risk includes the community opposition and health and safety concerns. Political risks include the regulatory changes that can impact the project plans and increase costs. Changes in land acquisition laws, environmental regulations, or labor laws actually can lead to delays and also higher expenses. Political instabilities in Malaysia or Singapore can disrupt the project continuity, funding, and regulatory approvals. Bilateral relations between the Malaysia and Singapore are crucial for project success. Any deterioration in these relations can actually hinder cooperation, disrupt the project timelines, and affect the funding and regulatory process. So overall, a well-planned and executed project can mitigate these risks and ensure the project's success. So as a conclusion, this Kuala Lumpur Singapore high-speed rail project is a comprehensive and also an ambitious effort to create a high-speed rail corridor between Kuala Lumpur to Singapore. This project actually involves multiple phases, including the preliminary planning and approvals, design and early construction, major construction and development, and final construction and operational readiness. Throughout the project, a comprehensive risk assessment was conducted to identify economic, technical, environmental, social, and political risks and their potential impact. Quality control, logistic management, and iterative functional development were integral to the success of the project. The project also involves specific engineering, environmental, and operational requirements, and extensive stakeholder consultation and regulatory approvals were critical to the project's progress. By adopting a structured and phased approach, the Kuala Lumpur Singapore high-speed rail project aims to effectively manage complexity and ensure timely delivery and operational excellence. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you.